next year, like I turned 30. So I'm like, oh, I want to enter my 30s like strong. Like that's what I want to do, is like enter them strong and not feel self-conscious. I want to enter the new year like just a new person. Like I did other things you find online, like different, like those fitness people you see on Instagram. Like I tried their programs and some of them worked, but some of them were just so blah. Like how much chicken, broccoli, and rice can I eat? Because that was all I could eat. And then I did that for a bit, and that was where I lost a bunch of weight, but I was so miserable. And then I was going well at the beginning of the year, and then as soon as we were on lockdown and in quarantine, it was just downhill. Because like literally there's nothing to do. There's nothing to do. I sit in this chair all day at this table working, and I'm like, ugh, now what do I do? And I'm just like, oh, let me just make some pasta for lunch and dinner and call it a day so I can finally lay down. Like that's all it was. And it got bad, and I was like, oh, this is not good. This can't be good. So then luckily came across your Facebook post, and it's been going well ever since. You join these other programs and they say, oh yeah, it's so hands-on. It's not hands-on at all. Like once a week, they're like, okay, give me your update. Okay, keep eating the same exact thing that you've been eating for the past 6 weeks. Like just keep doing it and keep doing all these different workouts and whatever. But it's like, okay, but it gets to the point where like you need more. And the difference here is like the coaching calls, the live workouts are like like I remember the first time I did one, and I don't remember who did it, but I remember being called out and hearing my name, and I was like, oh my God, it's real. So just like the structure and the support is night and day from other programs. I notice even when I'm just wearing like my leggings and a sports bra, I'm like, ooh. I was like, ooh. But I keep noticing little changes, and it makes me feel good. Like for sure it makes me feel good. That I'm like, when I do get back out there, like we're gonna be ready. Like we're gonna be ready. And like putting my jeans on, I was like, oh, okay, this isn't bad. I'm like, they just came out of the dryer and I'm not laying flat on my bed. I was like, this is great. If this was 6 months ago and I would have been like, oh, I have to get up and do this workout at 6 o'clock, I would have been like, no, not doing it. Not doing it at all. And now I'm like, oh my God, shut the computer down, like do all this. I'm like, I have to get ready. So I'm like telling my coworkers, I'm like, hey, bye, talk to you tomorrow. Got to get ready for my workout. And I'm like excited to do that.